Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you fresh and delicious avocado tuna salad. Most of you probably get tired of the same old tuna salad that is boring. Well, this one is a lot better. You got some Tabasco sauce in it, you got some red onions, you got lemon, you got cucumber, you got cilantro. Basically, it's a lot better. So here I'm gonna show you how it's done. By the way, it's awesome on sandwich and it's good with rice or with any kind of other foods. Considering you get 29 grams of protein out of the can, this is gonna be a really healthy, tasty, delicious tuna avocado sandwich. So here we go. So the first step, you got 2 cucumbers. You can use any kind of cucumber, English cucumber, pickles, whatever you like. I prefer these ones, they taste a little better. So what you do is you just cut the ends and cut them in little pieces. Whatever you prefer, whatever size you want. I like them a little bigger. They taste a lot better when they're bigger because they got a little crunch into them. So you throw that in your mixing bowl. Get another one. Like I said, many people use different ones. This is really nice, fresh. You just feel that freshness of cucumber in the salad. Throw the coal in there. It's a lot of cucumbers, but it tastes good. Next step is the avocados. I don't know, but I went to a store and I couldn't find any avocados. Either they're out of seasons or we don't know. Barely had any in the store. Take this out, throw it away. Cut this in half. Avocados. Again, you can cut them any way you want. It's up to you. It's all gonna go in the stomach anyway. I prefer 2 cucumbers that size. Get 2 avocados. That one is not that great. So you just slice them like this. You don't want to cut them too small because then they're going to be, once you start mixing them in a bowl, they'll squish. And I prefer them a little bigger. Nice and chunky. So nice and creamy. So let's take this one out. Hard time finding good avocados today. quality. Next step is going to be tuna. Make sure when you drain your tuna, take it out, drain it, let it be more dry. Alright guys, we got tuna right here. I got 3 cans, and make sure you drain it really good, that it's really dry and hard, that it's not smooshy and watery. You can use white tuna, you can use any kind of tuna you want, it doesn't matter. So what you do next is you just break it apart. Most people don't like it when it's too chunky, so I just use a fork, break it with a fork, and that will taste a lot better. I mean, not taste better, but it'll mix good without the stuff a lot better. Once you got that, you just throw it in there. Nice and mix in there. So there we go. Well, there goes the video. I forgot to turn the heater off, it was making a lot of noise. So next step, cut some red onions. I got about a quarter of an onion, a large onion, red onion, and you can cut again as big or small, however you want. Kind of mix it up a little bit. I like red onion a lot, so I don't mind if there's a big chunks. So let me put it in there again as well. Into the bowl. So the next step is green onion. This, you can use green onions or you can use chives. I prefer green onion. It has that little better flavor to me. So again, there you go. So, woo! After that, we got parsley. Parsley, again, it's up to you how much you want. I don't want to do it too much. I do like it a lot. Everyone likes it different. So throw it in there as well. So we got most of the ingredients in. Next step is lemon. So I do a full lemon on 3 cans of tuna. I like it. Squeeze it like that. This one has no seeds in it, so you don't have to worry about biting to a seed. So squeeze them all in there. Ooh, I heard one. Well, it's not hard. And lime, you just squeeze as well. Nice in there. Man, the smells of this aroma of onions and cilantro and just everything is coming together so good, delicious. Alright, so next step is going to be avocado oil and Tabasco sauce, salt and pepper. Alright guys, now we gotta mix everything in here, put it all together. Next step is Tabasco. Tabasco is nice. It gives this flavor, not just a little spicy, a little kick, a little sharp, but the flavor of Tabasco brings tuna and all these things together really good. So for this much, you want to be generous. Some people don't like it too much, but I'm telling you, you gotta try it. And basically I covered the top, coated because there's a lot of stuff in here and you want to taste the flavor. So that's about quarter of a bottle. This is cheap. It's like $3 or something at the store. Next step is going to be avocado oil. I prefer avocado oil because we have avocados in there already than olive oil. And you can use any avocado oil. It tastes really good. It brings the whole flavor even more. So it's about 3-4 spoons of oil. But at this point, I think it's a little more than that, because I usually do, kind of look and see. So, next step is salt. I use Himalayan salt. I like it a lot. So I would say about 2 spoons. It's better to add later than to be salty. And then just use black pepper. And black pepper, you cannot go wrong. Anyway, and then you just mix it all together. Slowly, nice. And super healthy. Oh my goodness, the smell is just delicious. Some people put mayo. You can put mayo probably if you want, but I don't think it's going to be that healthy. So I guess 1 spoon is better than 2. So next, really good. And look at the colors. If you see a tuna salad that is this good, wait till you try it. Okay. You got a little bit of wet oil in it. So that is the salad. As you can see, it's really good. Well, try it out, see what you think. Leave a comment below. To me, it tastes really good. Healthy. I got bored, tired of the regular tuna salad. Seen some ideas on books, and here we go. Hope you guys like it. Anyway, enjoy. Fresh, good. You can use that on the bread. You can use it with any kind of potatoes or